Perlite has light apparent density, low thermal conductivity, good chemical stability, the use of a wide range of temperature, moisture absorption capacity is small, and non-toxic, tasteless, fire prevention, sound absorption, and other characteristics. Perlite ball press pellet shape can also be replaced. Common, round. There are square and rectangular, can be controlled by role model. However, in most cases, the perlite ball press material shape is spherical, conducive to demolding. Transportation process is not easy to break. As for the type of perlite ball press, the larger the perlite ball press roller, the size of the roller directly affects the perlite processing capacity. So the larger the ball roller, the higher the output, the higher the cost of equipment. Perlite ball press size can be carried out according to industry standards. If there are special application requirements, the user can customize the sphere size to the manufacturer.